Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your KuCoin trading password. First, navigate to the KuCoin login page on your web browser or mobile app. Look for the Forgot Password link, usually located near the password input field, and click it. You will then be prompted to enter your registered email address or phone number associated with your KuCoin account. This is the initial step to verify your identity and start the recovery process. After entering your contact information, you'll likely encounter a security verification step, such as a CAPTCHA, to confirm you are not a robot. Once that's done, KuCoin will send a verification code to your registered email address or phone number. Please retrieve this code, which is typically a 6-digit number, and carefully enter it into the designated field on the KuCoin password reset page. This step is crucial for account security. Now it's time to create your new trading password. Choose a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. You will need to enter this new password twice to confirm it, ensuring there are no typos. Make sure your new password adheres to KuCoin's specific security requirements, which usually include a minimum length of 8 characters. Keep this new password safe and secure. Once you've set and confirmed your new password, click the Final Confirmation button to complete the reset process. You should now be able to log into your KuCoin account using your newly established trading password. Remember to always use strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.